In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show how you can use an OpenStreetMap overlay with Map Suite to consume and bring in OpenStreetMaps within your web map application. If you're not familiar with OpenStreetMap, it is an open source map data project, and it allows anybody in the world to contribute to the map data set and add local features and enhance the map data accordingly. So if you're not familiar with it, I'd invite you to go out and check out more about it at openstreetmap.org, as there's a lot of good information and you can help get involved with making the OpenStreetMap data even better in your area. Now let's get back to the sample. As you can see, we just got a basic sample here that allows us to pan around and zoom in and zoom out. And this map data being shown here is actually getting pulled from the OpenStreetMap server. So let's dig into the code and see how you would use an OpenStreetMap overlay in your own application. This sample app really doesn't have any controller source, so we're going to just dive right into the view source. And you can see there's not a lot of code to talk about, but there's a few things we want to go over. This section here is where everything's getting done, or all the magic's happening. The first few lines are setting up the map on the page and setting its size and setting the background color. And then we're also setting the current extent, and this is giving a set of coordinates that we want the map to zoom into by default. And these coordinates are not your typical longitude and latitude coordinates, as OpenStreetMap is in web or spherical Mercator, similar to other mapping providers such as Google and Bing and Yahoo. So it's important as you work with these different web mapping providers that you work in those coordinate systems as well. Additionally, you'll want to, since it is in a Mercator projection, you'll want to set your map unit to meters and not be in decimal degrees. So that's another important distinction when you want to use one of these overlays like OpenStreetMap. The next section is just setting up a basic map tool to enable the mouse coordinates. And then here's where we're actually adding the OpenStreetMap overlay to the map, and we're adding it to the custom overlays collection off of the map control. And then finally we're rendering that out to the page. So this is just a real simple sample that demonstrates how you can get OpenStreetMap data easily into your application, and then you can plot things on top of it, or you just use this as a base map if you want. I hope this sample walkthrough has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at or post your questions on our discussion forums at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thanks for watching.